Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Sign into GitHub and click the New button at the top right. Choose a repository name that clearly describes your project and is short. Select public or private depending on visibility and collaboration needs. Optionally add a README. MD to describe the project and add a gitignore for files to exclude. Choose a license to set reuse terms or add one later. Click Create Repository to initialize the new repo with a default branch named main. On your local machine, open a terminal in the project folder and run git init to create a new repository. Stage files with git add, and commit with git commit m initial commit. Create one remote named origin using git remote add origin your repo URL copied from GitHub. Verify remote with git remote v. Push the local main branch to GitHub with git push u origin main to set the upstream tracking branch. Confirm the files appear on the GitHub repository page. Open the repository settings to manage access and collaboration options for contributors. Add collaborators or connect teams to grant push or admin privileges using specific GitHub usernames. Configure branch protection rules for main to require pull request reviews and passing continuous integration checks before merges. Use issues to track tasks and bugs, and use pull requests to review and merge changes. Create releases for version distribution and enable actions to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.